So hello everyone, myself Ankit, and today I will be presenting the PPT on Vedic mathematics, accelerating modern computations and AI. So basically the subject Indian knowledge system comprises of various topics like the Indian text, Vedas, and also how the modern scientific technologies is being inspired from our ancient knowledge of the science. And the Vedic mathematics is also a major part of the IKS, which was mainly derived from the Atharvaveda, which was written by Swami Bharati Krishna Tirtha in the early 20th century. It provides 16 concise sutras, also known as formulas, and 13 sub-sutras. So what is Vedic mathematics? The Vedic mathematics mainly comprises of 16 sutras, which are formula which provide us the short PT word formula that describe natural ways of solving complex mathematical problems. And there comes the simplicity and the speed. The method replaces lengthy and many time-consuming calculations through this Vedic mathematics. And the Vedic mathematics also help us to do the calculations mentally very easily using smaller tricks and tricks. So the Vedic mathematics is possible. So driving the need of faster, why we need faster computation in the modern AI. So nowadays the modern AI need a quick response to all the data, like the data exploration. The modern AI processes huge data amount to provide us our desired result. The model complexity. Deep learning networks such as LLMs have millions of parameters which requires huge mathematical calculations which can be easily done by the Vedic mathematics. The efficiency in imperative. Slight improvement in the computational speed and hardware levels lead to a massive performance boost in the AI. So the key sutras, also known as algebraic shortcut for speed. Urdhva Trikya, the vertically and crossword. The general formula for multiplication, it performs all partial products simultaneously in one step, making it highly parallel, ideal for hardware implementations. Nikhil Navyadan Dasra, all form 9 to the last 10th, used for rapid multiplication, subtracted near to the power to the 10 to the power base. Example 98 into 97 is solved by considering the deficit from the base 100. Then comes the Ekadrina Kurvana, the one more than the previous, used for the square numbers ending in 5. To, for example, to find the 65 square, multiply the first digit by 6, the next by 7, and the affix by 25. And here the result comes 4225. And here then comes the demonstrating computational speed by the nickel example. Traditional method mainly comprises of the 4 steps. There, first we have to multiply 7 by 98, that is 686. Then we have to multiply 90 by 98, that is 8220. And then we have to add partial products 9506, and then it requires memorization and carrying over. But by using the Vedic method of Nikhalam, we can do this complete calculation in just 2 steps. Like first we have to calculate the vertical part, deficit multiplication, that is minus 2 into minus 3, that is 06. And then we have to calculate the cross wire part, that is a diagonal subtraction, that is 98 minus 3, that is 95, or 97 minus 2. And here comes the same result, 9506, in quite a fewer steps and in quicker time. And then comes the Vedic sutras and as algorithm thinking. There are 16 sutras, essentially high-level compact algorithms that are highly parallelism and directive, perfect for computational transitions. Like the sutras. The sutras can also be considered as an algorithm which can play a major role in our modern AI for solving LLMs. And then comes the algorithm logic. This algorithm logic helps improving our LLM's performance quite a bit. And then comes the optimized computing. Using the sutras and algorithm logic, we can do the processing of the LLMs and the modern AI in quite a quicker manner. And then comes the application of modern computational and AI hardware. The VLCLY, the FAJ design, Vedic multiplier based on Udra Thilika are used on high speed design, low power arithmetic units, the backbone of all digital systems. Cryptography. Fast multiplication and double module arithmetic are critical for encryption of algorithms. Example, the RSA. Vedic methods accelerate these fundamental operations in secure communications. AI accelerators. Specialized hardware for AI like TPUs or NPUs leverage high-speed multiplication for efficient matrix operations, dot products which dominate the AI training and interface time. And then comes a case study of the usage of the sutras from the Vedas in the modern times. Like here we can see the main, the most used is the traditional array, and then comes the booth, and then comes the Vedic Uttarva Trinak. And to conclude, I would like to say that the bridging gap, that is Vedic bridging the gap between the computational gap. Vedic mathematics successfully bridges ancient wisdom with cutting edge technology, demonstrating the traditional IKS principle have direct powerful applications in modern engineering and computations. The efficiency and elegance. The result system, whether in VSLY, cryptography or AI accelerators, are not only faster but more energy efficient and also possesses an inherent mathematical elegance. The futuristic aspects, the future research into the Vedic sutras promises even greater optimism, establishing VMs as a critical tool for developing robust and ultra-fast computational platform for the future. And as far as the bibliography is concerned, I have taken bibliography from the Tirtha SBK Vedic Mathematics or 16th sample mathematical formula from Vedas, which is available on Motilal Banaras Science. And I have also taken reference from IEEE AICTC research paper on design and performance of Vedic multipliers on high-speed systems. Thank you.